In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail account to Outlook. By the end, you'll have your Gmail messages, contacts, and calendar syncing right inside the Outlook desktop app, so everything is in one place. Start on your Outlook home screen, also called the dashboard. This is the main mail view where you see your inbox on the left and your messages in the center. Make sure Outlook is open and you're connected to the internet, since we'll be signing in to Google during the process. Next, look to the very top left corner of Outlook and click File. This opens Outlook's Backstage view, which is where all the app-level settings live. Think of it as the control center for accounts, options, and cleanup tools. You should land on the Info section, which shows account information. This page lists any accounts you've already connected and gives you tools to manage them. It's the right place to add a new one, remove an old one, or change settings later if you need to. From here, go to Accounts, then choose Add Account. This launches Outlook's Account Setup window. You'll see a field to enter the email you want to connect. Type your Gmail address and continue. Outlook will hand you off to Google's secure sign-in, so you never have to type your password directly into Outlook. When the Google sign-in window appears, enter your Gmail credentials and proceed. If you use two-step verification, complete the code or prompt on your device. You may be asked to grant Outlook permission to access your mail, calendar, and contacts. Approve these permissions so Outlook can sync everything properly. This connection uses Google's modern secure method, so you don't need to tweak server settings manually in most cases. After you confirm, Outlook will finalize the setup and let you know the account was added successfully. Choose Done to close the wizard. Back in the main Outlook window, look at the left folder pane, and you should see your Gmail account listed, with its own inbox, sent mail, drafts, and labels as folders. Messages will begin syncing right away. If you have a lot of mail, give Outlook a little time to download everything. You can start using it immediately while it finishes in the background. If the Google sign-in window doesn't appear, update Outlook and temporarily allow pop-ups in your default browser. Then try Add Account again. Also, ensure you're online, as the connection requires an active internet session. That's it. You started from the Outlook dashboard, opened File, viewed account information, went to Accounts, clicked Add Account, and connected your Gmail. Enjoy having your Gmail right inside Outlook.